What's going on, guys? It's Jason here. So, trying out this new Insta360 camera, as I might have mentioned in my last video. See what kind of footage we can get on my ride home. It's going to be a quick one. I don't have too many miles on my reserve tank that I can go right now. But, just leaving work now. Shout out to Jones Dealerships here in Lancaster. We are getting out of work a little bit early. So, heading home. Take some footage here of the ride home on this new Insta360 and see what it's all about. Hopefully I got the mounting all squared away that doesn't fall off here. So yeah, just got this Insta360 yesterday. Did an unboxing here this morning at work, and this is the maiden voyage with it. So some of the reviews I saw and videos I saw from the Harley Tech John Maxwell and Moto Sarge when he got his 360X, I want to say it was. They both give it great reviews, so I wanted to check it out here myself. Get some footage. I'm planning on doing some cool rides this summer, and wanted to get a different perspective of these rides with this camera. So we'll see how this looks. So I hope everybody's doing well out there. These uncertain times, you can really get down in the dumps, kind of depressed or whatever. And what I have to say about that is get out and try to enjoy yourself. Do something that you enjoy. Whether it's working out or it's walking with the family, taking a nice jog or run somewhere. Get out, enjoy yourself. Don't stay cooped up in your house too long. If you are in one of those states that you have to stay inside no matter what, or stay on your property, at least go outside to enjoy the weather that you may have. Do some projects around the house so you have the time this summer to spend with the family some more in nicer weather and everything. That's what I plan on doing. And motorcycling, taking cruises, stuff like that, that is my stress reliever. I think I mentioned that in my first video. Just letting you know, why I ride and all that. Just to me, it's just a stress reliever, and being cooped up in the house is not fun. I feel bad for everybody who does have to stay inside and you can't get out and do anything. I really do. But just try to get out, at least out on your porch, on your stoop, enjoy the weather, get some fresh air. trying to think of some other things to do with the family that we can still stay compliant with the whole stay-at-home orders. I got a teenage son at home. So teenagers, at least my experience with my son is he's very into electronics and gaming and doesn't really want to get out and do much outside unless we're doing stuff with them. If you got any suggestions of things to do, let me know. Put them in the comments below. I'd appreciate it. So, yeah, just a quick short video, guys. Again, I want to say thank you to everyone who has watched my videos so far, commented. Still looking at suggestions as far as the motovlog name. Should it be Marine Rider, or should I go with the Moto Marine? Put your suggestions down below. Let me know what you think. Hit the bell icon so when I do upload these videos coming up, you get the notification. Hopefully have some more videos coming your way, some product review here on my Omni mount or IO mount here, as well as my Zero 3D cup holder. And later on down the year, give a more in-depth product review here on the Insta360 camera. So again, guys, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, bell notification, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.